Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is November 21st, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the futures up a bit. They're catching a bid by about 19.5 points to 26.59.5 per contract. This is the final trading day ahead of the Thanksgiving Day holiday in the United States. So markets probably will have a little bit lighter volume. But yesterday, stocks and all the market indexes were trampled sharply lower and on volume. So that should be noted. Today we're getting a little bit of a bounce back. There's some news coming out of the White House saying that Peter Navarro will not attend a dinner with President Trump and President Xi Jinping. So we'll see if the market can carry that into the close. I highly doubt that, but we'll see how it plays out either way. Generally, most market technicians are looking for a gap down open, not really a gap up before the opening bell. So we'll see what this gives us. Nonetheless, markets are higher before the opening bell, and that's really all that matters. We have lots of stocks in the news, so let's get started there. First stock we're going to look at today is going to be John Deere. DE is the ticker symbol here. Stock closed at 138.52. It is now trading at 134.34. So again, little haircut there. I still think there's a lot of support around the 129 level if it gets there, so keep that on the radar. I'm not really seeing much else on the stock at the moment, but we'll be watching this one if it does get down to that level. Foot Locker catching a bid today. That's his after earnings. Stock right now is trading at $53, closed at $46.09, so that's quite a pop. So Foot Locker on the move. Right now, when I look at this name, I have to think you're into some resistance here just because we have this big gap level around 53 right there. See that big pivot going all the way back to August. So I got to think that there's going to be some resistance in play up here. But that's nonetheless a great move for Foot Locker this morning. Let's take a look at Autodesk. ADSK is the ticker symbol there. Stock is trading at 133. Closed at 123.05. That's a nice little move for Autodesk. This stock has a tendency to run sometimes, so keep it on the radar. It might be a quick runner to 140, possibly 145. I would not rule that out. We'll see how it does once the opening bell rings. There's nothing to do here initially. Next up, we want to take a look at Nvidia. It looks like there's some news out in Nvidia that they're going to provide artificial intelligence chips to Chinese electrical vehicle startups. So again, nice little pop for Nvidia. That stock had a great reversal yesterday, and today it's trading up around 154.72. So great move for Nvidia so far. Let's take a look at BZUN. This is a Chinese name as well. This stock trading at $33.34. Closed at $30.13. So good little uptick there. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at CPRT, Copart. Copart right now trading at $49.50. This closed at $47.30. This is on the back of earnings. That's a nice little move for CPRT. When I look at the stock here, nothing great, nothing terrible. We'll have to look at it once the opening bell rings. Maybe we could find some levels there. $50 area definitely looks, I'm going to say 50.5. Definitely looks like a lot of intraday resistance if we get there. Let's take a look at BJ Wholesale. BJ is the ticker symbol there. Stock is trading at $21.30. This is kind of a new issue. It's only been around since July of 2018, so we don't have a lot of data to work off of here, but nonetheless, that's a decent little pop. Stock closed at $19.83, so you're definitely getting a decent uptick here. I don't see anything to do just yet. $22 area should be some intraday resistance. Next up, we want to take a look here at BILI. I believe this is another Chinese ADR. Nice pop there. This stock closed at $13.60, now trading at $13.76. I believe that's on the back of earnings. But again, this is another new issue. Just was released in April, so there's not a whole lot we could do with it. We'll see where it goes once the opening bell rings. Switching gears here a little bit, we want to go over to the gold market. Gold futures getting a bid today, up $5.40. So if you take a look at the GLD, you'll see that's trading right around 115.94, closed at 115.76. Spot gold trading around $1,226.50 an ounce. So gold catching a little bit of a bid today. That usually means the dollar is weaker, and that certainly is the case. Here's a daily dollar chart. You can see that's down, ticking a little bit. Dollar down, usually we're going to get a pop in gold. Let's take a look at oil. Crude oil getting a bid today. That's up $1.20. That's a pretty good move. That's about a 2.25% move. Right now, crude is trading at 54.62. If you take a look at the USO here, that's trading at 11.55, up from 11.27. So oil finally getting a bid from a very severe oversold condition. I mean, oil has just been absolutely annihilated as of late, but it is so oversold. I would think it does have more upside in the cards here, but it's finally starting to catch a bid. It's been a very tough bounce play trade and has not worked. So again, oil finally getting a little bit of a bid. We'll see how that plays out into the closing bell. Once again, the markets will be closed tomorrow for the Thanksgiving Day holiday. They will be open on Friday for a half-day session. And today I would expect the volume overall to be very light. Right now we have the futures up 20 points. We'll see how we trade out today, but it's been a very turbulent week so far. So we'll see if we get some more action. If you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Another good day yesterday. I mean, every day is just a blockbuster out here. It's been a great 2018. So if you want to come join us, come do so. Take that 7-day free trial. Check it out for yourself. With that being said, everybody have a great trading session, and we'll see you all on the chart.